Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma. Students, shall we start?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So now, Shashank, I want the snapshot you have sent it. I hope so, right? Okay. Yes, ma. Now let us have. So Shashank has opened the video. I will also open it. Okay. Next. Good, Purvansh. Good. Next, shall we start? Good, Anshika. Shall we start, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. I hope you are able to see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now, see, today what we have discussed in that worksheet, shall we have a small recalling of all those concepts?
Okay, sir.
First, what it is? First, what they have discussed? What is the first part? So they have discussed about x plus a whole to the power n. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the expansion of this, ma? nc naught into x power n plus nc1 into x power n minus 1 into a power 1 plus nc2 into plus nc2 into x to the power n minus 2 into a to the power 2 and so on. What is the general term? Can anybody can tell me the general term?
Sir, NCR X bar N minus R Y bar R.
Yeah, I'm taking here a, so a power r. So at last, first term will get, what is the last term? NCN. First term will get disappeared, right, ma? So what will be my last term? A to the power
N.
n. This is the general term. From this only each and every deduction is possible. Whether it is 1 plus x whole to the power n or it is 1 plus y whole to the power n, whatever it might be. Right? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now from this, we have discussed two things. We have discussed two things. What are those? It contains how many number of terms?
N plus 1.
Very
N
good.
plus
How
1.
many number of terms will be n plus 1? So what will be the middle term?
Sir, middle term will be, sir, if n is even.
If n is odd, so it will have even number of terms. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It will have even number of. If we have even number of terms, how many middle terms we have? Two middle terms.
Sir, 2.
Yes.
Two middle terms. Two middle terms. What are those? Can anybody can tell me what are those? What are
Sir,
those two middle
n
terms?
by 2 and plus 3 by 2.
T,
No,
T,
n plus 1 by 2 and n
right?
plus 3 by 2.
N plus 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
If n is even, we have
Sir, then the number of terms will be odd.
odd, right? Odd number of terms. So in this, how many number of middle terms will be there?
1.
One.
One middle term.
1.
What will be that middle term?
Sir, it will be
What will be that middle
N
term?
plus-
T,
n by 2 plus 1.
n by 2
right?
plus 1.
N by
N
2,
upon 2 plus 1.
right? Correct. N upon 2 plus 1. This is the basic thing. Okay. Right, ma? So now coming to the next part. So I'm erasing this content. Okay. This is the first basic which you need to know. Coming to the next part, instead of x plus a whole to the power n, they have given what? 1 plus x whole to the power n. Am I right? So what you will get now? N c naught plus n c1 x plus n c2 x square plus n c3 x cube and so on, so on, so on, right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
NCR x to the power r is the general term and so on, so on. NCN
X
to
power
the
0.
power n. X power n. Am I right? Am I right, Purvansh?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now from this, what you need to know is, see, previously we have discussed that middle terms are the higher or greatest numerical terms in for the formula x plus a whole to the power n. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now in for 1 plus x whole to the power n, what is the numerically greatest term? We have to check now. So it entirely depends on x value. Am I right? It entirely depends on x value.
Yes, sir.
So for that purpose, what they will do is they will calculate one fraction. What is that fraction? We will call it as some m, whatever it might be. Let me take it as m or x or not x, a or b or whatever you want, you can denote it. So m is equal to, what is that? N plus 1 multiplied with x upon
Modulus.
modulus of
upon
x plus 1.
modulus plus 1.
See here, when you are calculating this fraction, here you have two chances. Here you have two chances. What are those two chances? One can be an integer. The another can be a decimal.
Decimal.
So if it is integer, how many middle terms you are going to get? Two middle terms.
2 middle terms.
Two middle terms you are going to get TP and TP plus 1.
TP plus
Even
1.
though here we have two middle terms, their values will be equal. Right? The values will be
Yes.
equal. Suppose if we have decimal, see, always suppose, for example, let me take 3.5. I can write 3.5 as 3 plus
3
0.5.
5.
Here they will take this 3 as p value. Okay. See, in some textbooks, they will explain like this. And they will take p. And we will have only one middle term here. And TP plus 1 is the NGT, numerically greatest term. Okay. Here TP or TP plus 1 will be the numerically greatest. Means overall, what is the conclusion here? Well, anybody can tell me what is the conclusion here? TP plus 1 is the numerically greatest term. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
Yes,
See, in some books, what they will tell, na? See, here you have decimal value. Na? For this decimal value, apply greatest integer function. See, greatest integer function and all you will learn in +1. Ma? But let me tell you, greatest integer function is also called as floor function. What is floor of 3.5? Is 3. Okay.
Sir, 3.
So what they will do na? T floor function of m plus 1. Like this also you will find in some of the textbooks. Don't feel that it is wrong. Don't feel that it is wrong. Okay. It is correct only. Because here there was a change. Please observe the change here. In some books, 3.5 can be written as 3 plus 0.5. Here 3 is nothing but p. So they will take it as tp plus 1 as numerically greatest term. Okay, ma? But in some textbooks, for 3.5, they will apply floor function. Floor. Floor of 3.5 is nothing but what is the nearest and lowest integer value? 3 is the lowest and nearest integer value. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
So they will represent like this. Here you're able to see. Here they will represent like this. T floor function of m, because m value here it is 3.5 plus 1. So now overall, without getting more confused here, simply what we will do is, I don't want to go for many books. This is the part. This is the thing which you have to remember. So here 3.5, if I got a decimal, I can write as 3 plus 0.5, where this is nothing but p value, and tp plus 1 is nothing but numerically greatest integer. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes.
doubt in this part, students?
No, sir.
No.
No doubt. Any doubt, please let me know. Next, there are some deductions for it. There are some deductions. Some formula reducing concepts are there. What are those? What is the formula for NPR? Can anybody tell me?
Sir, n factorial upon n minus
N
r.
factorial upon
Okay,
n minus
n
1
factorial
factorial.
upon n minus r factorial. Very good. One more formula is also there, I told you.
Yes, sir.
One more formula also I told to you. What is that?
Sir, it
N.
was NCR is equals to NPR upon R factorial.
No. I'm saying about only for NPR. For NPR, I told you
N
one more
minus
formula.
1 PR.
Yes. N plus 1 PR plus R into N minus 1
N minus
P
1 P.
R minus 1. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right? Right. These are the two formulas for NPR. You have to remember that.
Sir, it should be N minus 1, no?
Sir, it should be n minus 1 PR.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Yes,
Just
sir.
a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. I might got confused. Okay, right. Next, go for
No,
NCR.
Sir,
NCR.
here
Sir.
factor equals to,
Sir.
it should be minus 1 PR plus R.
No. How you will get like that?
More
Sir,
like
it is given in the book.
Just a minute. How you will get like that?
Sir, it is given n minus 1 PR plus R
It is
into n minus 1
See here.
PR minus.
It is just a minute. It is R minus 1 only. It is R minus 1 only. For example, you can take one example and you can think. You want me to prove with example?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now see here, NPR. Take one value, 5P3 I am taking. Okay. What is the value of 5P3?
So it will be 5 factorial.
5 factorial upon 5 minus 3 factorial means 2 factorial. Right?
Yes, sir.
That means 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into
3 into
3
2.
into
3
2
into
factorial
2.
upon 2 factorial. Am I right?
Yes,
2
sir.
factorial,
Yes,
2 factorial will get cancelled. What is the result? 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 3, 60.
60.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, what is the value of 5P3? 5P3 value is 60. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This value is 60. Okay. Now, let us write n plus 1 PR. What is n plus 1 PR? 6. Tell me, ma. 6.
6P3.
6P3
3
3
plus
Plus
3 into
Plus 3 into
n minus 1.
4p2.
4
P2.
P2. What is 6p3? What is 6p3? 6 factorial upon 3 factorial. What will you get, ma? 6 into 5 into?
4 into 3 into 2.
No. Just a minute. Sorry. Just a minute, ma. Here it should be minus 1, ma. Here if it is 5, how here we will get 6?
Yeah, sir.
That only
That's why, sir, we are
Okay.
saying that.
Okay. N minus 1. Right. So here what will get? 4
4
P3.
P
Now it
3.
is fine.
Yes, sir.
Right, students. Now let us first calculate 4p3. What is 4p3?
Sir, 12.
4 factorial upon 4 minus 3.
have 1
1 factorial. So what will get 4 factorial? 4 into 3 into 2. Am I right, students?
Yes.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
24.
4.
24 plus 3 multiplied with what is 4p2?
It was 6 previously, sir.
So 4 into 3. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What it is? 4 into 3 is 12. See,
12.
simple thing. One thing I will tell you, ma. Suppose you are calculating 4p2 means you decrease the number 4 for 2 times. First is 4, the next is 3, right? Suppose you are calculating 5p3 means you have to decrease the values of 5 till up to 3 values, means 5 into 4 into 3. You have to you have to decrease the values of 5. See, this is my first value, this is my second value, this is my third value. Okay, got it what I said? Like this also you can calculate.
So in 4p2 it should be 4 into 3 into 2, na?
See, 4 into 3 into 2 factorial upon 2 factorial. I cancel 2 factorial, 2 factorial.
Sir, in next step, sir, you have written 4 into 3. Sir,
It is
should
a
be
trick,
2
ma.
also.
It is a trick. What I'm trying to say is, Shashank, suppose they have given you 6p2, right?
Okay, sir.
How many values you have to write to calculate the
Sir,
value
2.
of 6p2? 2 values. What are those 2 values? 6 followed by the predecessor of 6. 6 into 5, 30. Now you calculate it for 6p2. This is a trick. This is a trick. So 6 factorial upon 6 minus 2 is 4 factorial. 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial. 4 factorial get cancelled. See 30. Same answer, na?
Yes, sir.
Shang, you got it. Students, you got it. You got this trick?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right, ma. So now, see, let us verify for this. 24
Sir, it
plus.
is an NCR also.
Ma? No.
Sir, it
NCR
is
it
an-
will not work. NCR it will not work. Okay. 12 into 3 is how much? 36. 36 plus 24 is 60. See, 60 is equal to 60. Okay.
Yes, I understand.
Students, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
So NPR
No.
can be written as N minus 1 PR plus R into N minus 1 PR minus 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. So, shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Now let us go for NCR formulas. Let us have a look over NCR formulas. What is NCR? Not Delhi NCR, Ray. What is NCR?
Sir, it is n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial.
Factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial.
What is one more formula?
Sir, it is NCR. We can write it is
Can I write it as
sir,
NPR
NPR
upon R
upon R
factorial?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
One more. Can I write like this? N upon R multiplied with N minus 1
N
CR
minus 1
minus 1.
CR minus 1.
Am I right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes or not, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, one more important formula. What it is? n
F
plus 1
factorial upon R factorial and minus R factorial.
n plus 1 cr plus 1 upon ncr. What it is? N plus 1 upon R plus 1. Am I right?
Sir, n
Yes,
plus
sir.
1 C R plus 1.
Once again, any one of you.
Sir, n plus 1 C R plus 1 upon
Uh,
NCR.
that is what I have written, Amma. Students, is it is clear? I need your response.
Yes, sir.
Is it is clear?
Yes.
Yes,
What
sir.
about others? Utkarsh,
Yes,
Rudraksh.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Right. So now, what is one more? NCR plus NCR minus 1. It can be written as N plus 1 CR. These all things we have done in the class, right?
Yes, sir.
Anything other than that which you need here?
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me, ma.
Sir, what is the difference between NTR and NCR?
Okay, fine.
Sir, we have to learn these formulas, no?
You have to learn, na? See, every time, see, if I ask you, Shashank,
Yes, sir.
express 5p3 in terms of two permutations, means what you will do? You will calculate. How you will calculate? How you will calculate? If you remember the formula, simply you can write 4p3 plus 3 into, tell me.
Sir, 3 into 4, 3.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You have to remember it. You have to remember it. See, if you substitute some values of n and r, you will get it easily. It's not that much difficult formulas, ma. Yes, somebody have asked me what is the difference between permutations and combinations. Of course, it's a very lengthy topic. Let me try to give within, with small context. P is nothing but permutation, ma. C is nothing but combination. Okay. P is nothing but permutation. C is nothing but combination. Suppose see here. What is the color?
Sir, blue.
Sir, blue,
What is this color?
green, green,
What is this color?
yellow,
Yellow.
Hello.
Yellow. Fine. I don't want to go for more colors. Let me. Okay, 2 colors I will take. Alright. Okay, 2 colors I have taken. Here also the same way, like blue. Next one more is green. Okay. So here I have 2 things. Here also I have 2 things. Permutation is nothing but arrangement. What it is, ma?
arrangement,
Combination is nothing but selection. Combination is nothing but
Selection.
selection. Suppose in place of blue and green, I'm taking A and B. Okay, I'm taking A and B. Right, students?
Yes, sir.
Now, you people tell me, in how many ways I can arrange A, B?
Sir, in two
These are the 2 places.
ways.
Here I have arranged A, in second place I have arranged B. One more is also possible. Here it is B and here it is A.
A.
Am I right?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Is it correct or not? See, that means 2P2. So what will get 2 factorial upon 0 factorial? What will get? 2 into 1. How many ways?
Two.
Ways.
Got it? What is it?
Yes,
Now
sir.
come to here. This step you have to understand very clearly. Now I want to select. I want to see two things I have given to you. One is blue, one is green. I asked you to select two things at a time. What will be the thing? I asked you people to select two at a time. Means
Sir, AB.
yes,
Selecting
Sir,
yes, ma.
Sir, A and B.
A, B or
one
B A. Both are
combination
same, na?
possible.
Both two
Yes,
at a
sir.
time. Both two at a time. Am I correct or not? So
Yes, sir.
here
Yes, sir.
only one selection is here. I am selecting, ma, not arrangement. This is arrangement. Arranging of pens. Selecting pens. Now, if you see from two things,
Can you tell difference between arrangement and
from
permutation also?
two things, I'm taking two things at a time. How many ways it is possible? 2 factorial upon 0 factorial into 2 factorial. 2 factorial upon 2 factorial. What will get? 1.
Sir, 1.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, see, ma, one thing you have to remember in permutation, AB is not equal to BA. But in selection, as you are selecting at a time, AB will be is equal to BA. That is the reason why here there are the value is more here, the value is more here, but in combinations the value is less here. Are you able to track it? This is the basic
Yes, sir.
difference. This is the basic difference.
Sir,
Arranging.
some noise is coming from the Shashank mic.
Fine. Okay. This is the basic difference, ma. Students, I hope you got it.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
I don't want to go more intensively to it. See, every time, suppose, sir, why this formulas? I can do, na? I can do. Suppose I have given 4 letters to you, A, B, C, D. I asked Shashank to take one letter at a time. I asked Shashank to take one letter at a time. How many ways it is possible? First, I can take A, or I can take B, or I can take C, or I can take D. Means 4P1. Am I right, ma? Means 4 factorial upon 3 factorial. It is nothing but 4. Suppose if I ask to take 2 letters at a time, means I can take AB, or I can take BA, or I can take BC, or I can take CB, or I can take CD, or I can take DC, or I can take DA. I cannot calculate because I might miss one arrangement in between. So for that, simply if I do the formula 4P2, what I will get? 4 factorial upon 2 factorial. Now see here, 4 into 3. What will get? 12. There will be 12 arrangements. If you want, you can have a check it out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
If you have doubt also, this you have to analyze on a piece note. This is the basic difference. See, in terms of arrangement and selection, in terms of this entire permutations and combinations chapter, you will get either in 11th or 12th. This permutations and combinations, only have to understand this basic difference only, ma. This basic difference only, dear students. Even if you go to higher class also, only this, that's all. You need to know the difference between arrangement and selection. If you don't understand that, you will not understand the entire chapter of that permutations and combinations. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now tell me, now let us go for worksheet. Okay. How many of you don't understand first problem? Do anybody need first problem? Quickly tell me, students.
No, sir.
No.
First problem, no need?
No, sir.
Okay. Now what about second?
Sir, second done.
Third you want?
Yes.
Okay. See, what is the question, ma? What is NGT in? So meeting is going to end it in 10 minutes. As soon as the meeting ends, again I will start. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now
sir.
this is doubt clarification session, ma. See, tomorrow again I will teach this in the class. 3 plus, I have to calculate 3 plus 2x whole to the power 49 when x is equal to 5 by 2 or 1 upon 5. Right? Now, what is the first step? What you have to do? Students, will you pronounce?
First we have to do it in 1 plus x whole to the power
Very
n
good.
form.
Now, first convert it into 1 plus x whole to the power n. How to convert it into 1 plus x whole to the power n?
We have to take 3 common.
Three comments.
So 3 plus 2x whole to the power 49 can be written as 3 to the power 49. So not 3, just a minute. First, I will take 3 as common. 3 into 1 plus
1 plus
2x
2x
upon
by
3
2x
whole to the
upon
power.
To the power 49.
Any doubt
49.
in this, ma?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now what will happen? 3 to
Sir,
the power
39.
49.
3. And so 1 plus 2x upon 3.
Right. Whole to the power
49.
49. Now what they're asking us to calculate? NGT.
Sir, NGT.
First, what is my step, you know? First, what is our step is, first I will calculate NGT of 1 plus 2x upon 3 whole to the power 49. Then I will multiply with 3 to the power 49. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
First,
sir.
now let us calculate NGT for 1 plus 2x upon 3 whole to the power 49. Students, is it is fine? Are you catching me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So first, what I have to calculate? I have to calculate EM. What is EM? N plus
Sir,
1.
m is n plus 1 mod x upon mod x plus 1.
Mod x plus 1.
Mod x upon,
Modulus x plus 1.
right,
Modulus
n plus 1 into modulus x upon modulus x plus 1, right, ma? So now substitute n value. You know it. You know the n value. What is n value? This is n value.
Sir, n value is 49.
Yes, sir. 49.
And this is x value. So
Yes,
m
sir.
is equal to n plus 1 means 49 plus 1. What will get? 50. Mod x means 1 upon
Sir,
5.
it is
Modulus
2x.
of 1 upon 5. So
1
1 upon
upon 1 by 5 plus 1.
right.
Sir, we will
Now what
take
you'll get?
2x by 3.
50 upon 5
5.
whole divided by,
Sir, we should take
1
sir,
5
2x by 3.
5 plus 1.
yes, ma?
2x by 3.
Yes,
I
yes,
will
yes,
cut
Sir, we
yes,
should
yes.
take 2x
See,
by
again, the
3.
same thing. Right. Whatever they said is correct. We forgot it to take. See. Right. Okay. Good for making me remember. So n plus 1 into, what is mod x here? Mod of 2x upon 3. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Upon 2x upon 3 mod plus 1. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
now tell me 49 plus 1, 50. Modulus of 2x upon 3 means 2 by 3 into 1 upon 5. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, 2 by 3 into 1 upon 5 plus 1.
1 by 5 plus 1.
Any doubt in this, ma?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Next, m is equal to 50 into 2, 100.
100.
100 upon 15
100 by
whole divided by, now what you'll get? 2 into 1, 2 upon 15 plus 1. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes,
not
sir.
cancelling anything here. Children, please observe it. I'm not cancelling anything. Now 2
Sir.
plus 15, what will get? 17 upon 15. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now 15, I will cancel. What is m value?
100 by
upon 70.
100
100
upon
upon
70.
What is 17 fives?
What, sir?
17 fives.
So 17.
Sir, 85.
Very good.
Sir,
So what
85.
you will get? You will get 5 point something, right?
Yes, sir.
So how much will you get?
The 5.
5.5. Okay, this can be written as 5.0 plus 0.5. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is my p value. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is my p-value. So now what I have to calculate? TP plus 1 I have to calculate. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
What is TP plus 1? What is TP plus 1?
Sir,
We
6.
know
Sir,
if
TP
you
Short
have
term
confusion, write general term. TR plus 1 is equal to NCR into x to the power n minus r into y to the power r. Now TP plus 1 is equal to NCP into x to the power n minus p into y to the power p. Am I right, ma?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now T, what is p value is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6.
6 equals to
T6 is equal to, what is n value? 49, huh?
49.
49 C P. P value is 5.
5.
Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
What is x value? 1.
49.
What
Oh,
is
sir.
x value? 1.
1 by 5.
So 1 to the power 49 minus 5, 44. What is y here? 2 by 3 into x value is what? 1 upon 5.
Yes.
So at last what I will get, ma? 49 C5 2 upon 15 I will get. Am I right?
Yes.
Any doubt in this, students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So now, what is my numerical greatest term? See, now for this, what is the numerical greatest term? 49 C5 into 2 upon 15.
Sir, it should be T6 is equal to 49C5 into 1 upon 5 power 44.
Yes, sir.
1 upon 1 to the power
Sir, 1 upon 5 power 44.
1 upon 5.
But
Yes,
they are giving the value of x,
Uh,
not the x of the xn plus y, sir.
This is what, see, Utkarsh,
yes, sir.
this is for x plus y whole to the power n.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma. See, tell me, ma.
Sir, I didn't understand this T after this T6. Sir, from this step, T6 is equal to 49C5.
Right. For T6 is equal to 49 C5 into 2 to the power 2 upon 15. Am I right?
Sir, why you have done 2 into 3, 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 5?
See, what is y, ma? What is y here?
Sir, why?
X
Sir,
is 1.
2x upon 3.
X is 1.
Okay, sir.
Y is what? This one.
Sir,
Do you have any confusion with this formula?
you have written the value of y, sir, but not the value of p, sir. It's written, sir, 2 by 3 into 1 by 5. So the value of y, sir, p, the 5. So you are
Okay,
not.
here P we have not written, right? So
Yes.
P value will be 5.
Yes, sir.
2 by 15 whole to the power 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Whole
Yes,
to the,
sir.
right. 2 by 15 whole to the power 5. So now I want to calculate the entire greatest numerical term. So what I will do, anyway, for this I got this as the NGT. For this I got it as NGT. Simply I will multiply 3 to the power 49. You understood?
Yes, sir.
So in
Yes, sir.
textbook, they have not given all those things. Simply they have asked which term is the greatest term. That's all, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the numerically greatest term in this?
Sixth term.
But sir, there's
term.
no option, no sixth term.
Sixth term is not there.
No, sir.
Two x upon 3. Anywhere we have done the mistake? No, ma. Only this will be T6 will be the correct one. Of course, there might be print mistake.
Sir, but we have not calculated for 3 power 49. No, only we have calculated for 1 plus
No,
2x
once again,
by
once
3.
again.
Sir, we have not calculated for 3 power 49. We have only